Today, I'm excited to present Fairlands. Imagine your parents or grandparents sharing a news story on Facebook and it turns out to be false. Not because they don't care, but because the article sounds credible. That's what inspired Fairlands, a privacy-first AI tool that explains why an article might be biased. Let's start with the problem. Misinformation spreads 6 times faster than truth. Current tools oversimplify or log user data. Our stakeholders are students, educators, journalists, and regulators. But our empty chair users, senior and non-native speakers, are often ignored. 58% of seniors share misinformation simply because they can't judge credibility. No existing tool explains bias in plain language while keeping data private. That's the gap Fairlands fills in. Fairlands isn't just ethical, it's built to comply with real regulation. Under EU DSA Article 15, we publish a transparent model card. Under GDPR, we will follow strict data minimization. Canada Bill C-18 encourages credibility tool. Fairlands qualifies. We never monetize our data. Pro educators may opt in to share anonymized article hashes to improve the fairness. Privacy isn't an add-on, it's our design constraint. So, how does Fairlands work? Users pass a URL and our pipeline Distillbird gives a political lean score from -1 to +1. GPT will do neutral summary and bias phrases, and the media bias or fact check does the credibility rating. In the architecture, the requests hit Flask API on AWS Lambda. Distillbird runs locally, and the ChatGPT, the 4.0 mini, will call caches in Redis. The SQL only store anonymized metrics like timestamp, hash, and score. API keys are secured in AWS Secret Manager. So our business model is freemium, term-free analysis per day, and $5 a month for unlimited use. Here's how we turn our promises into enforceable controls. User test is deleted within 60 seconds. Control, we auto delete request and store only the hash and score. Test will check the 0 rows in the database contain text. Second promise, every result must include at least 2 clear bias indicators. Third promise, credibility data must come from public sources. We have control and test. Here are 3 more controls. So API cost must stay predictable, summaries must stay neutral, and LLM outputs must align with real bias words. This prevents hallucination. The model can't just invent bias that isn't there. So next, let me be transparent with AI I used. During development, I used ChatGPT and Cloud for diagram and test drafts. Then audited with Bandit. Runtime, the ChatGPT 4 mini will summarize and Distillbird will run locally on 5K article. For guardrails, we will do hallucination check, satire analysis, regional bias flag, and prompt sanitization. We will publish a model card for transparency. We use AI responsibly and safely. To wrap up, let's talk about risks and what success looks like. So first risk, people might overtrust our scores. We mitigate with a mandatory disclaimer. Use this as one input, verify independently. Second, API cost spikes. It will be managed by our rate limits and circuit breaker. Third, model drifts. It will be handled through quarterly retraining and 95% AB accuracy checks. Our success metrics are showing here. So from my Capstone page, remember one thing. Privacy isn't a feature. It's a foundation I designed around from day one. Thank you.